Rafael Fiziev is out of his main event against Charles Oliveira October 11th in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and now we need a replacement for Charles. We are so unlucky as UFC fans. Last week we had the UFC Vancouver main event get switched up from Anthony Hernandez facing RDR to now Brendan Allen facing RDR, and now we need a replacement for Rafael Fiziev. October went from being a 10 out of 10 month for UFC fights and main events to now being a 5 out of 10, depending on what this replacement is for Charles Oliveira in that main event in Rio de Janeiro. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite replacements for Rafael Fiziev in that main event against Charles Oliveira. Before we go ahead and get into the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. So yes, it seems to be official. Rafael Fiziev's out of his main event against Charles Oliveira. Absolutely terrible news. I mean, come on. This is back-to-back main events now in October that have had a switch up literally last weekend. I kid you not, last weekend. We know this. Obviously, last weekend there was the switch up. Now we've got De Ridder versus Allen instead of Hernandez versus De Ridder, which is a massive change. Completely changes everything for middleweight. And now we're going to have a complete switch up for lightweight. I was very excited for this fight. I thought this was a great bounce back fight for Charles Oliveira and a great spot for Fiziev to maybe get himself ranked up in the top 5 and, you know, get closer to the title, which is where he wants to get. And I just thought it was a good chance for Charles Oliveira to get back in the win column. Honestly, I thought it was a good matchup. I thought Charles could get his grappling going. I thought this would be a scrap. Unfortunately, we're not going to see this fight, at least for now. Rafael Fiziev pulled out due to injury. We don't know what injury and why, but he was talking, literally yesterday, he was talking about the fact that if he beats Charles Oliveira, he would be very close to a title shot, and now he's pulled out. So how did that go, Fiziev? Thank you for ruining the main event, but we are going to talk about some possible replacements. You know, obviously, this is not good news, not great news, but Charles has been in a full camp. He's been in a full training camp. He will have the advantage depending on who he is faced up against. But I have a few ideas of a couple guys that I think would be a good matchup for Charles Oliveira and a good matchup for short notice to get themselves maybe a chance up the rankings, to take that shot, kind of like Brendan Allen is taking against RDR. Short notice. He's still going for it. You know, he saved the main event. The first person who I think is a solid replacement for Rafael Fiziev in the main event, a guy that, you know, it's not going to be the most entertaining fight. It's not the fight that people are going to be like, whoa, no way, like, we need this fight. But it's a decent fight nonetheless, and it's a fight that would be entertaining, and that's got to be Mateusz Gamrot. I know what you guys are thinking. This is not what the UFC wants to promote. I get it. But you can't deny the fact that Gamrot almost beat Dan Hooker. He arguably could have won that fight. He just beat Ludovic Klein. If he wants to take that step up on short notice, which is not very likely, which is why I'm putting him at a lower chance of this happening. But he could step up. He could step up to the plate. He could take that spot. He could fight Charles Oliveira, and it would be a good fight. It would be a good fight. Both of them are good grapplers. Gamrot's a good grappler. Charles is a good grappler. It would be a fun fight. There'd be lots of fun scrambles. I think it would be a good 5-round main event, to be honest. It wouldn't be something that gets the fans going, if we're being completely honest. It might have the Brazilians walk out of the arena, let's be honest, but it would still be a good main event for, you know, people who do care about grappling and do care about MMA as a whole, rather than just a striking war battle. Like, it's not going to be a war with Gamrot, right? I mean, his fight with Hooker was very fun. It was a back and forth kind of war, but Gamrot doesn't have the most entertaining style. So I do understand if the UFC is not trying to push for this one and doesn't call Gamrot. You know, if they don't call Gamrot, I understand. I'm going to put him at the lower level. I'm going to go for my least confident people to get a shot against Charles in that main event to my most confident, and who I believe is most likely going to get that shot. The next one that I got to talk about is the guy who beat Gamrot most recently, and that's got to be Dan Hooker. Dan Hooker versus Charles Oliveira is a great fight. It is Timu Charles Oliveira with the blonde hair versus OG original Charles Oliveira. They've got beef. They've talked shit back and forth. Charles has talked some shit about Hooker. Hooker's talked some shit about Charles. They have beef. This would be a great main event. Dan Hooker hasn't fought in a while. He hasn't fought since that Gamrot fight. He's been out for a long time. He had the injury before his fight against Gaethje, right? And he had to pull out of that. And then Fiziev stepped in on short notice, right? So Dan Hooker's been out for a while. He could save this card, step in short notice, fight Charles Oliveira. It would be a great matchup. They've got beef, like I said, and they could make a very, very fun main event. I think Oliveira would run through Dan Hooker, but still a great viable option in the main event, Dan Hooker. But my most confident, my favorite guy to replace Rafael Fiziev in the main event of UFC Rio, it all makes sense. It clicks. It's perfect. It's perfect in my mind, in my delusional mind. It's so perfect. The guy that I think should be in this main event against Charles Oliveira on short notice, that would be an absolute war. Benoit Saint-Denis, the Marauder him fucking self, Benoit Saint-Denis, in the main event against Charles Oliveira in UFC Rio. This is a banger. I already have the image popped up. This is a banger. This is what I want to see. This is what the fans want to see. This is what we need to see in the main event of UFC Rio. Number 13 Saint-Denis versus Charles Oliveira in the main event. This is what we need to see. This is Saint-Denis' second chance. Would be his second chance at cracking a top 5. One of the legends like Dustin Poirier, now Charles Oliveira. If this fight is made, it is rumored already. It is something that makes sense. Saint-Denis did not take much damage against Mauricio Rufy. He got a massive bounce back win against the Fighting Nerd, shutting down one of the Fighting Nerd's hype in Mauricio Rufy. A great look in France. He barely took any damage, like I said, and he's beaten most Brazilians he's fought. He's on a 2-fight win streak now. He wants to fight up. He wants to stay active. This is his chance. Put Saint-Denis up against Charles Oliveira in that main event. This is the fight to make, in my opinion. This is the best viable option out of all the options that I've given. Mateusz Gamrot most likely will not even get a call. Let's just be honest. He's probably not going to get a call. Dan Hooker, on the other hand, I don't think he takes it. I think he is scared of Charles Oliveira, and I think he's scared of a Charles Oliveira on short notice, fighting Charles Oliveira on short notice. But Saint-Denis will take this fight. I know he would accept this. I know he wants this. He wants to jump up in competition. And this is a good spot for him to get a chance at that. Get another chance at cracking a top 5 legend like Charles Oliveira in a main event in his hometown, right? So this is the fight to make, in my opinion. This is the one that I want to see. This is the one that the fans are going to want to see. This is one that we can get hyped behind and be like, holy shit, wait, who would win this fight? I mean, we're not gonna talk like Saint-Denis is back to his full-on 100% Marauder style, but Marauder versus Marauder. Marauder versus... Yo, I would be so torn if this fight is made. Watching this fight, I would actually be completely torn on who I'm picking. I love Benoit Saint-Denis. I love Charles Oliveira. You guys know this. If you guys been watching me, I am a D1 BSD fan. I am a D1 Charles Oliveira fan since forever. Since I've known UFC. That's all I got to say. I've been on Charles Oliveira and I've been on BSD. So this is one where I'm like, my heart, I'd be gutted to see one of these guys lose, but this is such a good fight. This is such a good main event. This is such a fun fight that we have to book it. We have to have it done, UFC. We have to have this fight now. Looking at this fight and looking at these two matchups up against each other, I love it. I absolutely love it. As a massive Charles and a massive BSD fan, seeing the two against each other would be something that would be crazy. It would be a crazy battle for guaranteed war, guaranteed fight of the night, without a doubt. No matter the outcome, one of these guys is most likely getting finished by submission, by knockout. It's going to be violence. It's going to be war, guaranteed. I love this main event. I love this fight for Charles, and I like this opportunity for BSD. I like this for both guys. For both guys, honestly, because BSD had his training camp, fought Rufy, barely took any damage, and that was pretty recent. He's still fresh. He's still good to go. He could fight and turn around and fight Charles Oliveira in that main event. In it for a 5-round main event, that would be great. He's been doing so much work with Nicholas Ott. And then you've got Charles Oliveira, who's just taken a full fight camp. You know, obviously, he took a little bit of time off after that loss to Ilya, but he's getting back in there. And let's be honest, Saint-Denis doesn't have the biggest KO power. He doesn't have the biggest power in his hands. He's a slow striker. I don't see Oliveira getting chinned. I think this would be a fun grappling matchup, and if somebody's getting chinned, it's probably going to be Saint-Denis. But this is the fight to make. This is the main event I want to see. This is the main event that I know for a fact the fans want to see. You guys let me know which option you guys like most in the main event, for the main event of UFC Rio, to fight Charles Oliveira, but I like this one. This is my favorite one. BSD versus Charles Oliveira, the main event of UFC Fight Night Rio. I love it. Let me know what you guys have to say. That's the entire video, boys. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one when this fight is announced, boys. See you.